record on this computer. Okay, I'm recording. Hello, my name is Vasu. I'm a research assistant at University at Albany. Today I'm going to be giving a quick demonstration of how the eApp works. So when you open up the eApp, you're going to come to this page right here that says advisory. Our app is designed with three separate parts: advisory, alerts, and be ready. So I'm going to just quickly tap through them so you can see these. And I'm going to talk about each one. So advisory, this section is for general news advisories. If you click on a current advisory, you're going to see the most recent advisory that you've received. And it's going to list the time that we received it and its source and a little description about it. You can also just click close now. All right. If you want to see advisories about a specific topic, you can click on one of these specific topics. So let's look at fire, for example. Here you're going to see a list of advisories that you've received relating to the topic of fire or the fire department in general. So it might look like there's a lot of them, but if you look at the dates on the side of the screen, you'll see that these have actually been over the course of quite a few weeks. So don't worry about getting too many advisories in one day. Okay, so let's go over to the alert section. So alerts are for more immediate news alerts. So for example, we might be, if we look at a current alert, we see some alert about construction on I-87. A lot of the time, if we go to this roads tab, we're going to see information about, for example, crashes on I-87 or other news incidents around there, around Warren County. And of course, a lot of it does happen on I-87. If you're curious about other topics, you can scroll through here and we can look at other ones. Okay, and now let's look at Be Ready. This section has two parts. The first part is for Warren County Emergency Services, and this is just going to list numbers from the Warren County Office of Emergency Services. So we have a list of phone numbers they provided, as well as these two non-emergency numbers if you're curious about travel information or just want some more information about other services. Okay, and then we also have a list of many emergency preparedness resources. So these will tell you about how to prepare for different types of emergencies. So for example, if you're worried that there might be a flood soon and you want to read about flood safety tips, you can click on flood safety tips. And there's going to be all this information here about how to prepare. You can also click on this Read PDF button. And it's going to pull up the document as a PDF. So I can just zoom in a little bit so you can see it better. Okay. So again, if you're curious about other types of topics, you can always scroll using this bar here. So if, for example, we want to look at this other category and learn about carbon monoxide safety tips, we can click on that. And then click Read PDF. And again, we can zoom in if we need to. So these emergency preparedness resources are sort of like a library of different resources that that the community has provided from us or for us. All of the sources for all the documents are linked if you're curious. Okay. So that's the entire app. We have some settings over here if you need to adjust things like the font size or the notifications. But in general, this is the whole app. If you have any questions, we'll all be around to help and answer those. Thank you.